Hi people, I wanted to show you the new things that I have done. Um, I took some corianders from the side of they had to take it out for me, from the side where my kitchen is at, because through there I cannot go in, you know. Um, it has too much rocks and stuff, but, for my wheelchair. But, I call it, I got all these, and what I did was cut it low. This one is still low, as you can see right there, but it's throwing new leaves. When you cut them, they throw new leaves, and it takes out the stress of it. Some of the corianders had I call it the stem to give the seeds. The little ones or the weak ones like this one and that one over there, over there, over there. Yeah, okay, right there. I didn't cut them off. I left them on. Because either way, if it would have died, the leaves, um, and you leave it there, you still leave it there, what happens is that sooner or later they're going to give side leaves. They're going to grow back up. So, the corianders are not wiki, how you call it, plant. It's not. You just got to know how to take the stress out so they could grow beautifully. As you can see here, I'm also having new babies from the seeds that I threw right there. I don't know if you can see them. There's a few babies there's growing another one. They're starting to come out. I put seeds there too. I want this to be nice and bushy. Why? Because right now is coming the winter time. So what happens with the winter time? You can't go outside. You can't go outside to plant. You could go outside, but it's very hard because it rains almost every day. Right now it's raining every day. It just finished raining this morning, but it's still kind of cloudy. It's gonna rain some more. Why the frogs, what we call cookie, they cry. They go cookie, cookie. I have a video on that, and I call it. Yeah, when they do it in the daytime, that means it's gonna rain. I already know when it's gonna rain. My grandmother taught me that. Before she died, she told me when you ever hear the cookie, you know it's gonna rain. So you take your umbrella, and you know that sooner or later it's gonna rain. Every time she used to say that, I liked it when I was young to learn things. And thank God that I have the little girl that I have, my little granddaughter. She's the same way. She likes to learn. And that's good. That's good. Then they're just not playing around and watching cartoons and this and that. They're learning other things. She loves to be in my garden and goes, Tata, it's beautiful. So maybe I could get her to be a gardener. At least not, be a 24 hours a day gardener, but at least to learn, you know. Here I have two because I didn't know where to put them at. So I put it with the how you call it? With the tomatoes. I'm planning to let this tomato grow up to here like I did last year. From there I would throw it over this thing here, the one that goes this way, throw it over, she'll fall down this way, and she starts giving tomatoes, because then she's getting better sun. But they're doing pretty good. But I'm going to show you something else that is worrying me, is this. What are these? I sent to buy, how you call that, Christmas cactus. And I received this. The whole tomatoes. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't want to throw them away. I know if I give it to somebody, they ain't going to know how to take care of it. So it's very hard what to do with this thing here. I don't know. I'll probably just leave it in the pot. I have a bigger pot and do the same thing that I did to that one. put it in a bigger pot. Where would I put it? I don't know. That's for sure. I don't know. So, well, I'm stuck with so many tomatoes that I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I wish they would grow. I hope they're the small ones, not something big. Like that one is gonna be big, you know. So, oh, wish. Now I know why they call it wish. I wish I get what I buy. Okay, so I also have. Let me put this thing right. I also have chives. I think is what they call it. Here they call it cebollín. So, and what I did was, because every time I put it here, it dies. So what I did was this time I put it in water. Let it have lots of roots, and then planted it here. I've been taking out as you can see, the I've been cutting it and using it for cooking. I peeled it all off. There was another one. One died. I don't know what happened to it, but one died. But I clear it out and I put it in my sofrito. So it has that too. Another thing that I have is this. It's back home. If you remember this plant, this is the one that I was very excited about because it gives a lot of how you call that? A lot of not tomatoes, peppers. I put it back. The peppers were falling off. Look how beautiful now. It's getting peppers. It fell off, and then the thing was that it didn't grow anymore. It was starting to die. So I decided it was where the corianders that were. So I decided to take it out, put it back here again, and she's throwing lots of peppers again, as you can see there. Here one is gonna has already the flower. Where's my finger? Okay, let me find my finger. Okay, there's my finger. Okay, I'm over here. Over here. Over here. Where is it? Oh, over here. Okay. So, over here they have some more peppers, as you can see right there. It's growing peppers again. And I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to take it over again. This is from Wish. I don't know what it is. It's supposed to be something, but I don't know what it is. So, I figured, well, if that wasn't how you call it, the Christmas cactus, maybe this would have been. I don't know what it is. And it looks like it's some sort of fruit. And by mistake, as you can see there, if I could see my finger, okay, there's a lettuce. I'm going to take it out and put it apart and see if I can make it grow. I had put some lettuce and I don't know what happened, but they died. Oh yeah, I do know what happened. The chickens. That was the time when the chicken came in, messed all of them. And apparently this one didn't grow. It was still a seed when I put all this here. So it grew there, and I'm going to see if I could take it out and put it by itself. Another thing that I have new is this. It came out real weird. These. Okay, so as you can see, it has a lot of babies. I put some more. This from the one that I also took out, and I planted it here. So they're growing pretty good, not bad, especially that one right there. I took a nice big chunk of corianders, a coriander, one big one, and we made some. How do you call that? Beans. Now I remember beans. Yeah.